In this video, I'll demonstrate how easy and quick it is to enter information into My DataBank. As you can see, My DataBank provides several basic default characters where you can store some of your basic information. But first, I'll show you how you can enable a password for My DataBank to help protect your data. I have now specified a password, and I will close the application and relaunch My DataBank. First, I'll try using the wrong password. Now, I'll use the correct password. Okay, so let's begin with finding a place to store my collection of passwords and IDs under the authentication category. First, I'll add a new item for my Yahoo ID. Now, I just need to enter the title for my item. Then, the title for my username. Of course, usernames and password I'll be entering are generic. And now the password. Finally, I'll press the update button. This will bring us back to the item list screen, which will list all of the items I have stored in my authentication category. Now, I'll add another new item to include a Google ID. I simply fill out the necessary fields and press the update button upon completion. The first blue buttons with an arrow that appears next to each field can be used to grab data from your contact apps or your internal file space, while the second button with an arrow can be used to send your data out to the applications such as your browser, messaging, Google Maps, or your email application. I'll show you how this works shortly. Now that we've added items to our authentication category, I can show you how easy it is to send individual values to other webOS applications. First, let's send my username to the email application. As you can see, My DataBank launches the email application automatically containing your value within the email body. So all you need to do is provide a recipient email address to complete the email. Or if you prefer, you can also send your value directly to the clipboard. With your value stored in a clipboard, it's easy to paste your data within any webOS application. What I've shown you here was just the basics. There are so many things you can do with My DataBank, with more updates and features already on its way. Enjoy!